Overpriced watering cans. Like $10 for a plastic piece of junk like this one. And they crack and then they don't work and you... No, I'm not going to pay that much. They have tin ones for like $20. Junky tin. This was a 3/32 drill bit. I think that's... For these seeds, I'd say a little fast. You might have been better off with a 5/64 actually. And then it matters how low down the water is. This is low budget films here, so we're not going to be doing any, we're not going to pretend that it's anything but what it is. This is the water barrel here. I just pour water in there, don't I? And then it's got the little roller drain valve. Just tapped it right into the plastic is all I did. So there was your watering can. Say hi to the succulents and cacti. These are the cane choyas that I sell on eBay. Or message me on Gab if you want. There's a hedgehog over there and something with tiny nasty spines. Watch out for those. Okay, I think I've had my say.